Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problems with your personal hotspot. So if personal hotspot is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to turn on cellular data, so just check if you turn on cellular data. Because if you turn it off, so here you can see that personal hotspot become inactive, so you couldn't choose it. So you need to turn on cellular data, and after you will see that personal hotspot become active, and you can also just choose it. And here you need to check if you allow others to join, so just turn on here. And under you will see your Wi-Fi password. User needs to write when he or she tries to connect to your network. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.